Man, shout out to Puma for sending these so quick. I just ordered these like 2 days ago and they're already in hand. You guys can probably already tell, but today we're reviewing the Puma Scoot Zeros in the Georgia Peach colorway. This is Scoot Henderson's debut signature sneaker with Puma, and he is from Georgia. These released on December 15th for a retail price of $100 US. We have to clap that up. More signature sneakers need to be in this ballpark. If you didn't win 6 rings, keep your shoes around $100. But yeah, before we even jump into the shoes, I need to give the proper adoration to this shoe box. Puma puts together some creative sneaker boxes and I do appreciate it. The box is in the colorway of a peach, as are the shoes, but it's cool that the box mimics the design of the shoe. I wonder if they're going to be following that same pattern for other colorways to follow. Scoot also has his S logo on the cover of the box. Him and Sabrina Ionescu are going to have to figure that one out. But let's go ahead and dive into the Puma Scoot Zero. Loving this bright Georgia Peach colorway. My eyes immediately gravitate to all of this synthetic material lining the sneaker. You've got some at the eyelets, more of it here at the toe box, more on the medial side. That may be a detractor for a lot of people. People don't like paying for synthetic material, but I don't mind it so much on these, especially the portion at the toe box. Makes it really soft on impact. I like playing in shoes that are soft around the toes, and that synthetic material, it is lined over textile. You can see that orange textile peeking out toward the top of the toe box and flowing up the tongue. Orange laces in these. Would have been cool to see an extra green set of laces in the shoe box, but I guess you get what you pay for. You have some Puma branding on the lace loop, Scoot Henderson's logo on the tongue, more textile here on the lateral side underneath a sick looking Puma logo in green, black fusing around the edges, and I think it's supposed to be like a green fire maybe. Flipping these to the medial side, this side of the shoe reminds me of the Nike PG5, just the way that the paneling is done. But anyway, you have a little more textile in that pink salmon color, and then there's like some faux suede on the rear, Puma logo here. I really like the pull tab on these with the double loop, plastic material with some more Puma branding. Now checking out the midsole on these, it's a wavy salmon pro foam flowing all around the sneaker. I love running my finger across the waves, it just feels really good. And it rises at the rear, sort of cups your heel. You definitely can feel the support in these shoes, and the cushioning feels a lot better than what I was expecting. Very aggressive look to this shoe though. You see the rubber fuchsia fangs poking out from the outsole. It looks like something is eating this shoe from beneath. But let's go ahead and flip these over to the outsole and check it out. Beautiful herringbone traction pattern on these with loose gaps for the most part. Shouldn't have trouble with dust getting trapped in the fuchsia portion, but this blue section does have some tighter gaps. I think it looks dope to throw in this seemingly random color and mix things up, but I do notice that the blue kind of bleeds onto the fuchsia. Looks a little bit messy, although this could just be an issue with my pair. Of course, you have that black Puma logo at the heel, and that is the Puma Scoot Zero. This is probably a good time to talk about sizing. As always, I went with my typical US size 11. My foot is right up at the tip. If you like a snug fit while playing, these should be perfect for you going true to size. If you're not buying these just to hoop in, I think you might still be fine going true to size, but if you want some extra room, feel free to go up a half size. And if you're a wide footer, for sure you want to size up. I think these are really dope though. I've been saying that since pictures of these leaked in the summer. Scoot came out the gate with a banger. I was skeptical because of the price being $100, even though I feel we shouldn't be paying more than that for basketball shoes, but you know that sneaker companies are going to skimp if the price is down that low. I think they went cheap on materials using a lot of synthetics, but the functionality of the shoe is still really good. You have a ton of cushioning around the ankle, it's soft at the toe due to the synthetic materials, very sturdy and breathable due to the textile, and on clean courts the traction is going to be A1. I do think these look like a budget LaMelo Ball sneaker. Puma overall just needs to diversify their basketball sneaker designs. LaMelos, Breonna Stewart's, and now Scoot Henderson's, these shoes all sort of look similar. They still look dope, but they do look similar. With all that said, I'm excited to see what Puma puts together for Scoot Henderson's next shoe. Let me know what y'all think of the Puma Scoot Zero. Did you cop a pair? Are you planning to? Thank y'all for taking the time to watch this review. Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you made it to this point in the video, comment a random Portland Trailblazer player from any era. Thanks again for watching, y'all. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.